Welcome to my creator gear guide curated by me, Alan Curtis. Video guy, coach, creator, dad with dangerously good lighting. This guide includes the tools, tech, and must-haves I've used to build my studio from scratch. One cable, one coffee-fueled edit session at a time. Whether you're filming with a phone or tricking out your dream desk, this isn't some sponsored, bloated wish list. It's the real stuff I use every day to run my business, create my content, and stay in the zone. I didn't grow up with a camera in my hand. No film school, no blueprint, just grit, curiosity, and a whole lot of trial and error. For years, I balanced corporate life, raising a family, and chasing the creative freedom that always felt just out of reach. I built this setup between late night edits, early morning ideas, and weekends where I taught myself how to make content that actually connects. Not flashy, but real. Not built all at once, but piece by piece. As my confidence grew, every item in this guide battle-tested, from hotel desks to basement corners and late nights with a sleeping kid down the hall. I'm not here to flex my gear. I'm here to help you build something that fits you. This guide is sorted by category, so you can find exactly what you need and skip what you don't. Some links are my affiliate links, but the profits go right back into my content and community to keep teaching and creating. If you're inside my school group, you're already getting the VIP access, behind-the-scenes tips, exclusive breakdowns, and help when you need it. You want more support? Check out my Editing Made Easy Intensive, a step-by-step system for creators who want to edit with confidence and clarity. And it teaches a system to make the whole process easier. And if you're looking for personal video coaching, I've got one-on-one spots open for creators ready to go deeper and level up everything from setup to storytelling. Let's stop overthinking. Let's start creating. Welcome to my world.